According to Plato, a human has a soul composed of three parts: the rational, the spirited, and the appetitive. The appetitive part is responsible for the person's need for pleasure, money, comfort, and physical satisfaction. The spirited part is responsible for the person's emotion, passion, and willpower. The rational part is responsible for the person's thinking, wisdom, and principle. The rational part, according to Plato, is the strongest and is supposed to overcome both appetitive and the spirited part. These three parts of our soul must coexist in a harmonious way for us to live a better life. But sometimes this does not happen. There are times when the appetite overwhelms the person and he or she becomes desirous. There are also times when the spirit is dominant in the person and he or she becomes competitive and ambitious and courageous. There are also times when the reasons rule the person and he or she becomes wise. In fact, a human person can be classified into three kinds depending on what part of their soul is dominant. Those who are overwhelmed by their appetite belongs to the group of desire-driven people. Those who are ruled by their spirit belongs to the group of power-driven individuals. And those who are governed by their reasons belongs to the wise people.
When I was a young boy, my father took me into the city to see a marching band.